guys, we woke up at 4:30 this morning to bring Jason's daily driven long travel Silverado out for a photo shoot. We're going to go through the truck right now and kind of show you what's been done to the suspension and what it's capable of. So Jason, why don't you start us off?
So up front here we have the bolt-on Camburg long travel kit with King 2.5 OEM coilovers. These have the adjustable knob on the reservoir here to kind of control the oil flow. This kit provides about 12 or 13 inches of travel. So this is kind of nice when you're running through like washboards or really bumpy areas. Provides a very smooth ride. Extended upper control arms and lower control arms and tie rods. So it pushes everything out about 2.5, 3 inches, which is why we have up front here. To accommodate that is Fiberwerx plus 3-inch fiberglass fenders. And so that allows for the suspension to kind of clear as it cycles up and down when you're kind of going off-road. So for wheels and tires, for the rims we got 17-inch Method NVs. These are the street series, so these aren't really true beadlocks. They're kind of for show, to be honest. And then these rims are wrapped in 35-inch BFG K02s. For auxiliary lighting for the truck, right here mounted on the A-pillar are Baja design XL80s. These have the amber lens caps. Kind of find myself, whether I'm doing runs in the daytime or nighttime, these provide kind of extra visibility for safety. What's up, guys? So let's talk rear suspension of the truck. Right here we got a Dirtking fabricated bed cage that allows us to mount these King 3.0 by 16s to a Deaver U182s leaf back. That entire combination yields about 16 inches of travel.